Hi y'all, it's Kara from the Transformation Mom for ABCDE. And when I last, I showed you a very quick video of just how I made this little side pocket using the gift card for my daughter's concert. And how, I put the pictures in there, and then there they are in our little pocket. So this is a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of paper. And I'm gonna, I cut a piece that's 8.25 by 5.25. So that's the page that we're gonna use. And I decided this is for Abby's, my oldest, Christmas concert. So there is her in her dress, and there's a picture of her playing a boom whacker and her friends and our really good friends. So I know I can show you those pictures because all those kids, I know their parents, and I've asked before if I could put them up places. So this is actually the cover to the book, and I just simply tried to cut it so that it would fit on this page. So that's what I figured I'm going to start out with, and I am going to make sure that I put this on the right sides. So our school does 2 Christmas concerts. One is K through 2nd, and the other one is 3rd through 5th. So Claire and Brianna are in 2nd, and Abby is in 3rd. So this year we got to go to 2 concerts. Next year we'll have 1 concert, and then the following year we'll go back to 2 concerts because Danielle will be in school. And then by the time Elijah gets in, we'll probably have 3 concerts because we'll have to do both the 2 elementary school concerts and then whatever the middle school decides to do. Abby, both Brian and I played instruments. We met first day of band camp freshman year of college at Pitt, and so we have a feeling our kids will probably go into that also, be musically inclined. So I'm not gonna begrudge them. Now I lost my tool that I like to use for my soup wing removal. I've been working still on Christmas presents and all kinds of other stuff, so my desk looks like a bomb went off. My craft table, actually, because my craft table is my desk, so that's the other issue. So we're just gonna get that down there real well. And so this was that little pop-up page that we had made. It's still a little sticky, just from everything, so I'm gonna open that up. And I am going to, if I can get the backing off, because again it's going to be hard. I'm going to put Abigail, and her friend. I'm going to put the one that's before the concert of all of the little ladies up here, because it's a horizontal picture. I'm going to put the other vertical picture of her playing over here. And then I'm going to put this down here. To write on. Here, I can write on that. Make sure that's all down there. And then I'm going to just put the numbers right there. Okay, and I'm not going to glue those down right now because I want to give those ample time to dry. But I wanted to be able to show you. So this will just get shoved right in there. And there will be our layout for the 18th. Something simple with something that we've already made. Again, it's Kara from the Transformation Mom for ABCDE. I hope you guys are having an awesome Christmas season.